Hello, can I help you today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for cereal.
Sure. What flavor do you want?
Chocolate flavor, please.
Great. Please look at this shelf.
Oh, this one looks delicious. How much is it?
That one is $4 each.
$4? Is there a discount?
Yes, we are having a discount for bulk buying today.
Really? Tell me.
If you buy 5, it's $3 each, total of $15.
Now that sounds like a good deal.
Yes, many customers are buying in bulk today.
Okay, I will take 5 boxes then.
Good choice. All chocolate, right?
Yes, both my husband and I love chocolate.
Great. I will take them for you. You can proceed to the cashier now.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hello. Do you want to pay by cash or card? I will pay by card, please. Okay. You have 5 boxes of cereal. The total is $15, please. That's a great discount your shop has today. That's right. You have saved $5. I will tap my card here, yes? Yes, please. All right. Payment is done. Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. A big one. Here you are. Careful, it's pretty heavy. Don't worry, I can carry it. Great. Thank you for shopping here. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Tom, look! I bought 5 boxes of cereal.
Wow, chocolate, yummy.
Yes, and it was on sale today, so I bought 5 of them in one go.
Brilliant. Let me see.
Here, let me take them out. Oh no. This box is torn.
Torn? Let me see it.
Look here, the corner is open.
Oh no, that's not good.
The package is broken. Oh no, we cannot eat this one.
Yes, we can't eat that. It's not safe at all, Lisa.
Oh dear. What should I do now, Tom?
Well, you still keep the receipt, yes?
Of course, I always do.
Then it's simple. Let's go back to the shop.
But will they really change it?
Yes, they should exchange it.
Okay, I will bring everything with me.
Yes, show them the broken box and the receipt.
I feel a bit nervous. I will try tomorrow.
No, let's go today.
Really? Today? Right now?
Yes, the sooner the better.
All right. Will you come with me?
Of course, I will come with you.
Thank you, Tom. I feel better.
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
Hello. I bought this cereal yesterday.
Hi. Yes, what is the problem?
One box is broken. It's torn before we used it.
Ah, I see. The package is torn.
We only want to exchange for a new one.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have it right here.
Thank you. Please wait 1 minute.
Okay. Thank you very much.
We really hope it's possible.
Of course it's possible. Don't worry, I will check the stock now.
Sure, we can wait here.
Do you think they still have it?
Yes, chocolate flavor is popular.
I don't want to change to another flavor.
No problem, they will find the same. Here is a new box, safe and sealed.
Perfect. That is very kind of you.
You're welcome. Please check it again.
Yes, this one looks fine. I feel happy we came back.
Please do. We are glad to support our customers. Also, please take this coupon.
A coupon? For next time?
Yes, 5% off on cereals.
See, Lisa? Sometimes problems bring good luck.
Thank you for understanding. We are happy to help you.
Thanks a lot for your support.
Please come back to shop again.
Yes, we will. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Tom, I feel so relieved now.
Yes, we solved the problem well.
Yeah, I don't know why I was a bit nervous at first.
But you did very well, Lisa.
Thank you. That was my first time returning things to the store, you know?
And how do you feel about it?
The receipt is really important.
Exactly. Shops always ask for proof. That's why you should keep your receipt for a while after shopping.
Glad I did not toss it in the trash can. Oh, speaking of which, keeping the product clean is also great for returning.
Yes, don't make it look worse. That's why they changed it easily.
Oh, and most importantly, have a polite attitude.
Yes, be calm. In most cases, the staff is willing to help. Staying kind makes them happy to support more.
Next time, I will be more prepared. Well, I don't hope we have to return things often, though.
Today's problem gave us good lessons. But hey, that coupon is pretty nice.
The best part of the story. Now let's get home.
Yes, I am already tired. I have to enjoy my chocolate cereal.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the conversations helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. This is your homework. Please comment below and tell us, have you ever returned something to the store? Why? Have a nice day and we'll see you in the next video.